Hey guys, it's Dave. It's September 25th. The latest version of our mass optimized web page generation tool, the Legacy UAP, is going out to all of you guys who bought it already, and all of you guys who go to buy it, you're going to get it. It's really hot. Let me just show you real fast what this is like. Okay, so you can use it for backlinking, creating a website for anything, modifying the website to make it as different as we want. The controls are simple. On, off, left, right, center, change colors, fonts, and so on. It's so easy. Having said that, here's the point I want to make right now. Take a look. There's one of the template options, and if I go to the sitemap, right, it's going to bring me the page. It's blank right now. I can refresh. There's just nothing there. But what do I want to do? First, I want to notice that there are 4 themes. Okay, we have different images blocks, images banner, video blocks. Okay, they're all in there, so they can be chosen from for any production I want. So let me just show you what that looks like. Okay, I set this up on purpose to do it this way, but this is so easy. It's easy to teach you. So I'm going to create a sitemap with 1,000 subdomain rows that each have a copy of the 6 pages that form that root stack. So all those pages can be totally different. They can be as different as I want with variables. They will be actually very different. And now I want to show you what this is like. So if I come back to the sitemap page and check, I've literally got 1,000 rows with 6 pages each. So I generated 6,000 web pages in this stack. Now, if I go and start opening these, okay, I'm just going to do it. Kind of did it earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Cool thing is also you can regenerate the pages and they come out unique the second time. So it's a way of quickly showing Google newness on pages you don't want to lose. Nifty trick. Watch this. I'm just going to flip from one to the next, right? Check this out. Different. As different as I want. Behaviors that I want. It's just up to me and the size of my images. Obviously, we can set image heights and widths and everything else to act certain ways. Do you want things to happen a certain way or not? But all these websites are up. And by the way, if you guys didn't know, yeah, we've got videos that work with the blocks like this. And all these websites, you can scroll down. There's stuff happening all throughout them, right? Okay. But they're set up with a conversion action in mind. And so that's really awesome. The buttons go anywhere you want on the internet. It's really cool. So you can create promotions on other websites for anyone's anythings. And you can literally do lots of them in a single action. So you can benefit tons of people and tons of companies. Anything from MLM companies to plumbers, roofers, service guys, the local pizza place, whatever you want. All right, having said that, where do you get it? You get it at website-installer.com. And when you go there, choose your category, hit Legacy UAP. Okay, that brings you to, actually, where does that bring you? Let me just make sure you see that through right here. And you can see the demo. It's obviously the demo, and then get the details. And when you go, okay, here it is. And so all you really have to do to install the website in 2 minutes, assuming you have a domain name. You need a domain name. But here's what you do. Order form for instant installation, just first name, email, state, country, postal code. And then if you have a promo code, put it here. The company information is optional. You really don't need to add it because you're going to be able to add this later in the Excel file when you follow the steps we give you to be able to control these websites your way. Down here, you do need to put a domain name. It's necessary. You can't buy it without a domain name. And if you don't have a domain name that you have ready for this, then click here to buy a new domain name. If you click there, it takes you to GoDaddy. Okay. If you need to create an account at GoDaddy, hit sign in, and then just simply create my account. Go ahead and create your account. Then you can sign into it, get yourself a domain name. And that's awesome. They're cheap, they're easy, they're like 12 bucks each. Okay. That's about it. So when you get yourself a domain name, then you can attach it. How do you do that? You set the name servers. Really, really simple. If you have any questions how to do it, give GoDaddy a call. Their support is awesome. They'll show you in minutes. You'll be good to go. So once you have your domain name set up, you have your name servers pointed forward, go ahead and continue with the purchase. You can make the purchase with PayPal or a credit card, no problem. And the full training is there on the video page. So just to make that clear, right here, videos. Yeah, there's no secrets to it. You can go ahead and check out the videos anytime you want. So the video training walks through lots of variations of how you use this to promote anything you want for anyone you want, whether they have Shopify, whether they have a real estate group or an MLM downline, whether they have a network or a franchise, or if they just want to set up affiliates, after all, resellers in one form or another. You can create pages that are perfect and send all the traffic to them. Just so you know, all the pages are like this. All those thousands of pages you create, they're going to be HTML validated, which means no coding errors, which is a really big deal for rank. They're also, speaking about rank, going to be very highly on-page optimized, SEO optimized, which means that they're going to tend to score really, really highly in rank. They also have maximized page speeds. For desktop, it's insanely fast, and mobile, this is the comparison of insanely fast, because mobile's harder to get up to speed, but there you go. It's really, really considered very, very high. So these are rank-ready websites. They are meant to totally help you rank, and that's what these first videos will explain. This is about a minute long. This is about 5 minutes long and about 30. Watch them in that order. And then this gives you a breakdown of what this is all about, this thing that I'm showing you. And then this is the full training right here. By the time you're done with that, you can do incredible projects for anyone, and you can put just a ridiculous amount of information on a single website. 600,000 pages on a single panel. If you were benefiting 600 companies with 1,000 pages each, that's how far you can go. So you can set this up as a way to capture leads and have them call, and then just watch tracking to see where that's happening, so you can contact the company and set up deals with them for sending them leads. They'll pay you for all your leads. So when you set up a project that big, it's just going to work. And then as that happens, you can just go ahead and start contacting the companies, landing those deals, or pay someone else to do it. Some small commission for just keeping track and following up with those guys. Whatever you want to do. Anyway, it's really easy to set this up. There are no hidden costs. This includes the cPanel hosting, includes HTTPS and wildcard HTTPS. Everything is done already. All right. Hope you found this interesting, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.